Welcome to another edition of the end of day pulse scan report. This is what we do. This is how we do it. And it is today, Thursday evening now. It is January the 23rd. And this is an end of day report. This is how we roll. All right, let's see if we can make this a little quick. I always say that, and then for some odd reason, it lasts forever, doesn't it? I just can't stop talking. Well, we're going to see if I can do much better today. Get right into the meat and potatoes of things and then bounce. Because tomorrow is Take Back Friday. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, Take Back Friday. So I think I should have all of my data now available to me. So let's see if we can get with some charts. That would help. I must say, though, I do not have, there are some charts I don't have, put it that way. So we're going to go with what I do have just for now. Let's see. Excuse me. Let me share my screen with you all. Let's see here. I'm usually more together than this. What is happening? Let's see. Bear with me just another second. I just don't seem to be able to pull up what I want to pull up. All right, here we go. I think we're good. All right. All right, let's close out everything I have. And now let's reopen everything. Yeah, data doesn't always become available when I want it to become available. So I have to kind of wing it. Let's see here. The stuff that can be a little tricky at times is the crypto stuff, but we're going to go over that first, and then we'll move on to other things. Let's do it that way. All right. Let me share my screen with you all. Here we go. Pulling it up now. All right. Here we go. All right. We should be good to go now. Okay. So the first chart that we have up is XRP. And XRP right now, as you can see before you, we had a crash alert coming into this market today. And as you can see, the crash alert played out beautifully in XRP. All right. That's the power of the pulse waves. You follow the system, bada bing, bada boom, you do well. It's just that simple. So we crashed down. We have another crash alert for tomorrow. And we're in a ticking time bomb. As you can see, the time bomb right here in the bottom right-hand side of your corner. And this means that another trend is pending. All right, we're right there. We could break out at any moment. It's looking like it's going to be down, though, a bearish one. We did go for a long time, truth be told. Back here, we had double crash alerts. We got lower, and then the market found support and rallied. So that could play out again up here. We'll just have to wait and see. But as of right now, we are trendless. All right, and looking, we have double crash alert. So the one today played out beautifully. Tomorrow's Take Back Friday. Let's see what happens tomorrow. All right, moving right along. Our next chart is NEO. NEO has a ticking time bomb as well. All right, coming into today, we had no alert coming into it today. It was a very narrow range. And according to the price trigger report, there was an intraday price inflection point based on the price trigger entry for sell short. And there was one also for getting long. The one for getting long, those conditions were not met. However, the one for selling short was met. and it produced this here. All right, and it was a very significant move down, and now we also have a crash alert going into tomorrow's trading, looking like the market wants to put in a new leg down on NEO. All right, moving right along, let's take a look now at the algo charts for Litecoin, ticker LTC. As you can see here, we had a sell signal coming into this market today, and the market did move down rather nicely. We do have that ticking time bomb. So when you don't have a clearly defined trend, markets tend to chop sideways. Sometimes you can get these micro mini breakouts and breakdown, things of that nature. All right, so we have a crash alert going into the market tomorrow for Friday, and we'll see how that plays out. Again, tomorrow's Take Back Friday, okay, and we'll have to wait and see. All right, let's see. As of right now, my data is limited. I only have about 5 of these ready. The rest of the cryptos I do not have ready yet, because as soon as I'm done with this end of day report, I'm going to get the pulse waves out. So I'll be working on those, and then I'll have that data. But for right now, I only have, as far as crypto data, we have Dash, Ethereum, and we have Bitcoin, and we have Bitcoin Cash, and the ones I just finished doing. That's it. All right. Let's see. So this is Ethereum coming into the market today. We had a buy trigger that we were looking to get filled in. Those conditions were not met. However, the selling short price inflection point on the intraday spectrum was met. Therefore, the market did move down. So those who had their sell tickets in would have caught this. The buy trigger did not go off. The conditions were not met. So tomorrow we have a crash alert for the Ethereum as well. All right, going into the next one here, we got Dash. All right, here is Dash. Dash has been very interesting of late. We're in a ticking time bomb now. We no longer are in a bullish market. We did have double crash alerts, and those were finally fulfilled today. All right, as you can see, the market did move down, and the shorts were rewarded today. Didn't get a really big move, but a nice move nonetheless. All right, so that's what this one's looking like. We don't have a clear signal for tomorrow as of yet, so we'll have to wait and see. But right now, this is where we are. For those of you who are holding shorts, you're going to want to pop your way through it using the pop method of money management and moving your stops. All right, going right ahead now with Bitcoin. All right, as you can see, it's also in the time bomb. All right, we had a buy alert coming into the market today. Those conditions were not met intraday. The intraday price inflection point for the sell short, those conditions were met. Therefore, the market did move lower, which is great. And we have a crash alert issued for tomorrow. One thing to note here on the rally alerts and crash alerts. Rally alerts and crash alerts tend to lead the market 3 to 5 days out, okay? So when you see those, sometimes the market will move in that direction immediately. Other times it will hesitate. So you have to, take those alerts very seriously. Then there are days where we have general buy and sell signals, and that's the yellow here. Like here, back here, this was a sell signal. This was a sell signal. Neither one of these got filled. The market didn't do what we were expecting it to do, and so we waited for the next day. We got a buy actual rally alert, and then the market proceeded to rally. So that's kind of the way it works sometimes. Now on these days, regardless of what happens, whether we have an alert or not, the price inflection point, the intraday price inflection points are market conditions where certain price triggers will be hit or reached, different levels in the market will be reached, that tells you, according to the system, to get short or get long, regardless of alerts or not. Okay, so just want to keep that in mind for those of you who are new and are not members, and even those of you who are members, just a reminder and a refresher that the price triggers themselves, those intraday price inflection point, those are the bread and butter of everything. The rally and crash alerts and the price inflection points are very important. So you put that together and you have one mean methodology of making money in the markets. All right, so Bitcoin right now, crash alert going into tomorrow. Tomorrow's Take Back Friday. We'll see what happens. The market could even rally and bounce tomorrow. Generally speaking, Take Back Friday operates like this. So if the majority of the week the market was up, and you account from Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Let's say all three of these bars were like, rally, the market rallied, then you expect a bar like this to happen tomorrow on profit taking. But when you have a mixed bag like this, anything is possible. It's really not a whole lot of profit to take off the table. So you may see positioning tomorrow. All right. And that could cause the market to either drop or rally or do nothing. But that's generally the way Take Back Fridays work. So if this right here was, it's really not a good example in this one because we've been kind of going up. But if I find a good example, I'll show you one. But that's typically what Take Back Friday is. The market's been down all week. You expect the market to pop on Friday for profit taking. If it's been down all week, you expect it, to pop. If it's been up all week, you expect it to pull back. That's what Take Back Friday is all about. People take profit ahead of the weekend so they can go drink, party, and all that stuff. All right. So the next thing up we got here is Bitcoin Cash. All right. So Bitcoin Cash, a little interesting here. You notice the ticking time bomb bottom right-hand side of the screen. All right. So we were in a bullish market, bullish configuration. We've now exited out of that configuration, and we find ourselves trendless. And we do have a crash alert going into tomorrow. Starting the market off today, we had no alert. We're just looking for price inflection points. And the intraday rally did not take place. All right. So there was no intraday price inflection point to buy or get long the market. But there was one to get short. And you saw that happen right here. Boom. It was awesome. You were able to make a little bit of coin if you were short that market. All right. And here's silver. All right. Let's look into some precious metals. All right. So silver here coming to the market. It's been really flat. Really hasn't gone anywhere. We're just flat. We're anticipating a possible down day tomorrow. So we have a sell signal for tomorrow. And we're in the ticking time bomb. We're trendless and flat on the momentum side of things. All right, taking a look now at gold. Let's see here. All right, so gold, same thing. We're trendless. We've had just back-to-back sell signals. Had a sell signal here, crash alert here, another sell signal, and the market's going absolutely nowhere. All right, we're flat on that momentum, and we are trendless. So, word of caution, just so you know, you guys can do what you want, but I do not place new trades on Friday. I will manage open positions that I'm carrying over from Thursday into Friday. But as far as putting on brand new positions, I generally do not do that. One of the reasons why I normally do not do that is because especially when you're trading equities, what ends up happening if something kicks off in the weekend, you are a sitting duck. There's nothing you can do. You can't defend yourself, protect yourself, do nothing. You got to wait until Monday morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time before you even have an opportunity to do anything. Now, if you're trading futures, forex, or even the crypto, you really don't care because crypto trades 24/7. It never closes. However, futures and forex do close for the most part at 5 o'clock, between 5 and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and they're closed on the weekends. But Sunday night at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, futures and forex will reopen. So technically speaking, you could hold a position or enter a new position on a Friday with futures and crypto. But once again, you are putting yourself at risk. If something jumps off, the market could gap up or down just aggressively, and it could shock you. I've seen the most ridiculous moves that would make you pass out with fright, and that could happen, and it could decimate your account. So I don't care what the asset class is. I do not trade, like I said, on Fridays. That's just me. Because anything can jump off on the weekend. I'd rather be flat, wake up Monday morning, and the Dow is down 1,000 points than to wake up Monday morning, the Dow is down 1,000 points, and I have a long position that I carried over from Thursday into Friday, or I put in a new one on Friday. See what I'm saying? So when the market's gap like that, it's going to take you with it, blow past your stop, and you're blown, your account's blown up. So why even put yourself through that? I'd rather wake up, see the Dow down 1,000 points, get up in there, watch those price inflection points, and maybe get an opportunity to buy the Dow at 1,000, down 1,000 points. So then when it rallies back up, it takes me with it. I just bagged 1,000 points in the Dow. That's some gangster stuff right there. That's why you keep your powder dry when you're on the sidelines. Don't be too itchy to jump in a new position on a Friday. That's just good trading discipline. All right, moving up. All right, so that was gold. Let's see, the US dollar index, also ticking time bomb, trendless. But we do have a rally alert going into Friday for tomorrow. We had a crash alert earlier this week. It did manifest a little bit. The market did fall down a little bit, and then it ceased falling and came right back up again. So this is some interesting times that we are seeing before us, ladies and gentlemen. All right, next market is, that's it. Okay, that's it. That's it for now. All right, so remember, PulseWaveTrading.com. If you have not already done so, please hit that like button, share the video with somebody that you know. You never know who it may help, and click that like button. And on PulseWaveTrading.com, come on over and see us. We have some amazing things that are about to come your way. You're going to want to go ahead and do that free account so you can find out what's going on. And you're gonna really want to do that. You're gonna really want to get into the loop of what we got going on, because there's a lot of huge things coming. All right, I did see some of your questions. It says, would you do an interview with Reggie with his new platform? I sure would. If Reggie wants to sit down and talk to me, I would love to talk to Reggie. Why not? You know, I would have like 1,000,001 questions. So yeah, I would love to talk to Reggie. If he'll talk to me, I'll talk to Reggie. Let's see, another one said, hey Dex, what's XTZ's chart looking like? Like I said, I don't have that forex data. If that's forex, I don't have that. I mean, not forex. If that's crypto, I don't have that data yet. If that's equity, I may be able to pull that one up, depending on what region it's in. So, Yusuf, is that XTZ an equity, or is that a crypto? Because if so, then I can't do nothing with it. But I'll make a note, and I can probably catch it in the AM. All right. So with that being said, folks, thanks for tuning in. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Thanks. Peace.